And welcome back to SIROWORLD 2016. I'm David Temple, and this has been a fantastic event so far, hasn't it? I mean, it's just getting started, but it's pretty fantastic, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, well, that's a very good start. Very exciting.
We are with Tom Leonardi. We've got Casey Conroy and Norbert Ulmer, and we're talking about, first of all, Dentsply Sirona, now merged. Biggest news to come along in quite some time, making it the biggest dental company in the world, correct? How is this affecting the world of laboratories?
It's a great question. The lab world, I believe, are very excited by this. It gives them an opportunity to deal with a single player that is very strong in digital equipment, dental materials, both CAD/CAM and traditional, all coming from the same group of people.
We combined now have the largest lab support network in the country. No other support network out there other than the Dentsply Sirona team. So what our two teams bring to the table is an incredible long-standing relationship, long-standing partnerships with the labs that really are very, very excited about this in the marketplace today.
Yeah, you know, I would say that neither Dentsply nor Sirona needed the merger. Both companies came out of positions of strength, and they wanted the merger because we believe that together we can accomplish so much more than what we can do as independent individual companies. And ever since the merger, we've already seen tremendous activities between our teams of the prosthetics team and the CAD/CAM team, and this is only after the first 100 days. So imagine what is there going to come in the future as we really synchronize activities, start getting into research and development to develop for each other and with each other and for our laboratories. So this is only the beginning.
Well, it's funny because everyone keeps asking and has been asking this all morning. What's the next thing to be released? What's the very next, latest, greatest? And of course, part of that is the magic is in the surprise, right? Part of that is we just did this. Give us a second to catch up to do this, right? As we talk about, you know, what are some of the synergies and benefits that you can see in this merger for laboratories?
First, I think to build on what Casey and Norbert said, we are only barely past 100 days, but we got off to a good start because we were friends before that, really. We had collaborated, we knew each other. There's a lot of like-minded programs. So we're off to a very, very strong start. What you're starting to see from a synergy standpoint is, as I mentioned earlier, a laboratory can now sit with a professional that can explain how they can go from a more traditional world into CAD/CAM, either all the way and scan and mill themselves, or just scan and then send into our company to help them with some of that as well. So from the very beginning of just getting it to CAD/CAM to the whole food stream, we're able to help them.
What were you going to say?
Oh, no, I would echo Tom's comments. I mean, the long-standing CAD/CAM technology through the legacy Sirona team and the long-standing materials technologies from Dentsply combined, really providing a true end-to-end dental lab solution for all of our partners that are out there.
Yeah. I think we complement each other so well, you know. Prosthetics historically has been very much focused on removable and on dentures. CAD/CAM has been focused on first the digital workflow, but also, of course, fixed prosthetics. And now, between prosthetics and CAD/CAM as Dentsply Sirona, we cover the full range of restorative, and we are able and we are committed to digitize the entire workflow from A to Z.
Wow. We were talking earlier, before we started on here, what laboratories can expect looking toward the future. Do you find yourself going, now that we have two of the biggest, strongest companies in the world, I can't even imagine what is possible?
There are over 600 scientists and technicians on the staff combined. And so the product roadmap that we already have mapped out is incredible. Right. And looking at what could be the possibility for the future of the labs is unbelievable. Very, very exciting. And I know the market is waiting for that next big step that the company's going to make.
I think what makes us really unique, and what this merger gives us the opportunity for is, you're right, many things we probably cannot imagine yet. But I think we all are encouraged, and we encourage each other to, we'll dream it, we'll plan it, and we'll do it.
Yeah.
Right.
This might be a little bit of the same kind of a question, but as we close, what would you say is your very favorite part of the merger thus far? I know we're only 100+ days in, but let's just go down the row and say, what is the thing that you've seen that has been the most powerful, most significant?
It's, the obvious thing would be our technology, our materials, and all these wonderful things, but ultimately it's the people that we're now working with as one team. The culture coming together is just very, very powerful, very exciting.
Nice.
That's, I would say, the number one thing there.
All right.
Right.
I would somewhat echo what Tom said, and Norbert referred to it earlier. Just the synergy between our two teams. We have a long-standing relationship and partnership with so many great labs on the consumable side, and Norbert's team had incredible relationships on the CAD/CAM Crown and Bridge side. So seeing those two teams come together and the reaction from those lab partners and the excitement, that's what gets me energized as well.
Norbert?
Yeah, and I would also repeat what Tom said. It's the people.
Yeah.
We have great people on both sides. They are committed to what they do, but most importantly, they are passionate about what they do. And that makes a really enjoyable work environment.
Nice. Gentlemen, thank you for joining us. I know you got a lot of looking to do. I mean, we're just getting started. We still got 2 more days, right?
That's true.
So go enjoy. Thanks again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
Sure.
And we'll be back with more from SIROWORLD Live 2016 in just a moment.